by really fast.
That went by so fast tonight.
I know. We're closing out with a bang, though, with Temp-tations, which may sound familiar to you if you've been shopping with us here at the Q for a while. They started with ovenware, and now they have a growing collection of home decor, both inside and outside. And when you shop for their outdoor decor, you will recognize our little critters, because the little critters are the theme. So whether you're starting your collection or expanding, you're able to coordinate your outdoor pieces, which I think is really cool. There's pillows, benches,
rugs.
There's rugs, tiles, blankets. There's a lot to coordinate. We have a sale price. So now your solar critter is coming home for under $18. Solar, because this little ring around your critter will light up. So you get movement and you get light at the same time. And then look at the beads at the bottom. I love that you get that little extra bit of sparkle as well. $5.99 on Easy Pay. M80522 is your item number. This is your ladybug, your patriotic ladybug.
Patriotic ladybug.
Love She's very patriotic. Ladybug. Red, white, and blue. Maybe you love to decorate in red, white, and blue. We have you covered there. We also have your bumblebee available. We have 415 available if you like the bumblebee. And then your final option is the dragonfly. Oh, 55 if you would like the dragonfly. M80522, under $6 on Easy Pay. Maybe you're picking out your favorite critter. Maybe you've already got a collection of dragonflies or bumblebees, and that's what you're going with. Perfect for that. But maybe you or someone in your family has a nickname. Like I know sometimes people call like their granddaughter, maybe their daughter Ladybug.
Yes.
So maybe you like to get the little ladybug. Maybe it's your little good luck sign. Whatever it is, you can't go wrong with Temp-tations. And I love that you get the movement, you get the glow, the hook is included. No cost of ownership because it's solar power. So every day when the sun goes down, it'll light up for you.
Easy.
And it's a wow by day and it's a wow by night. 10¼ inch diameter and it's about 22 inches long. Ooh. We've got action. They're so pretty. I like that they're light and airy.
I love that you just said that, because exactly, you're getting a lot of that sort of, that lightness around. It's not just one solid piece that's sort of covering it. So it's giving you movement at the same time.
Yes, the swirl, I think, adds to the movement as well.
Yeah.
It's visually interesting. And then when you think about either starting or building your collection with Temp-tations, maybe you're having that annual barbecue and you'd really love to coordinate this year, and you already have some pieces that are red, white, and blue.
Yes.
You pick up your ladybug here. Maybe you pick up your ladybug in the rugs that we have available, and then maybe you're gonna get a couple pieces to set the table with that also have that ladybug critter. And now you look like you're an event designer.
And you look like you just have it all together.
Yes.
And that's what we all really want to achieve. When you've got all of those moments that all come back to one another, it just all looks very cohesive.
It does.
Yeah. And that feels good and it looks good, and all of your friends and family are going to be very impressed when you have all of those pieces that all kind of match back to one another and create that sort of atmosphere that all feels very kind of together and as one. And Temp-tations has so many different spring outdoor crittery moments that we have in all of these different little fun shapes and sizes, which is so fun.
They do, and they're all different. They all have their own personality. This is solar light. So there's no cost of ownership. You don't have to buy batteries. You don't have to worry about how to change batteries. You put them out in a nice sunny area. That sunlight will charge yours up, and then every single night it will illuminate for you. I just think it's easy, it's airy, and it adds so much without being a big, heavy piece of decor. So if you're looking for something a little extra special for your garden, maybe it's your patio or your deck, this would be really, really nice to add into your decor. And 80522 is your item number. This is our patriotic ladybug. I think that we need to talk to Tara Tesher and just ask her if we can change the name to Patriotic Ladybug.
I did a Temp-tations show on QVC on Saturday night, and I had Lisa Lessort, and we were talking about it, and I was like, Vanessa and I call this Patriotic Ladybug, and she was like, well, I see why.
Yeah, she's very patriotic. So if you like her Patriotic Ladybug, we have her. We also have the Dragonfly, where you get turquoise, purple, and green, but there's only 4 dozen to go around if you would like that Dragonfly. And then your final option is the Bumblebee, and maybe maybe you're from Pittsburgh and you like the the golden yellow. We have 410 available to go around. Little black and yellow, little bumblebee, however you want to see it. It always reminds me of the movie A Bee's Life. I love that movie.
Oh, it's so
very
cute.
funny. And they're like, Bumblebee isn't supposed to fly.
Right.
But it does anyway.
Yes, it does.
It's like, forget those rules. I'm fine anyway. $5.99 on Easy Pay, and then your solar panel is just at the top. So as long as you put it somewhere where it'll get some sunlight, you don't have to worry. It will charge up for you every single day. But what a great way to just put a smile on your face this season.
Oh, absolutely. And these are those moments we want to put outside that's going to draw us more outside and create those really fun memories. When we take a look at them, it just makes you smile.
It makes you smile, it makes you happy, and guess what? You get it now, you put it up now because you don't have to wait for it to grow, you don't have to wait for it to be warm outside.
Nope.
You enjoy yours right now. And 80522 is that item number. Are you leaving me?
I gotta go.
You have to leave?
I gotta go.
All right.
Yes, but you're gonna stick around. What's coming
I'm
up next?
sticking around. We have 2 more hours of patio and garden, but we'll be back together on Monday.
Absolutely. Next
Every Monday.
8 o'clock, right here, QVC2. So stick around with Vanessa. She's got lots of fun coming up.
I'll see you again in just a minute.